Hello friends, so today we will be talking mostly about four words like first is LAN, second is WAN, third is intranet, fourth is internet. So let's first talk about LAN and WAN. LAN is local area network, WAN is wide area network. Most of us know about it. So like what is the difference? LAN is just like a connection of all the computer system within an office. WAN is connection of computer system within two offices or more than two offices or three offices, four offices. So wider area network. But still we are not maybe not connected to internet. Intranet is something which is only for your organization. Internet is the entire world's internet. We all know about it. So I've just given up the brief of all the four definitions. So today's agenda for us is to understand how exactly the MNCs set up their network. So MNCs has offices in various countries, like at various places. So for today, like what we will do is like first see over here, like assume one thing, like you have an organization and which has an office in Gurgaon and an office in Bangalore. So these are two offices of a company. So we have a basic idea of internet, LAN, WAN. Now we know that in Gurgaon office, all the computer systems have been attached via wire. All of them has a LAN port right at the back. So people, what they are going to do, they attach all the systems with the LAN card, and then they have like all the systems are attached to another system, like, and they create up a network. So whenever they create, like attach all the computer systems within an office, it is called as LAN. Now, what is the problem? Now, the problem is they want to connect the offices, the computer system in Gurgaon to computer systems kept in Bangalore. So, this office with this office. Correct? This office with this office. Correct? So, how they can do it? There are two ways. One way is they can like put up a wire from Bangalore to Gurgaon, and for that it will have a huge costing. They will have to go to the government, they will have to ask for various protocols, laws. They will have to serve all of them. Then may have to even give some money. Not we do not have to say these words in a video, but yes, there can be a possibility. But still, when we say that they have to connect these two offices, so this option is not feasible. They cannot go ahead and like connect them physically by a wire. They cannot like install a wire from Bangalore to Gurgaon. So how they can like connect these two offices and like maintain their intranet? So the thing should not be visible outside. So what they will do, they will connect the office one with internet, and they will also connect office 2 with internet. Whenever they have to share resources amongst each other, they will have a firewall. They will have a firewall for office 1, they will have a firewall for office 2. Say for example, we will take an example of timesheet. We all know about timesheet. We people fill timesheet. So timesheet is like the property of the organization, and people outside the organization should not be able to open up timesheet. I do not work for a company A, so I should not be able to like log in to or even go to the homepage of that website, right? So how they make sure that people do not log in or like go to the website? So they actually put up a proxy server. So we will be talking about like these things, proxy servers, and like the main networking part will start for you when we will talk about how a request reaches a server. But today, like take away these points. One is like how exactly the network is built for an MNC. So they have 10 offices, so they do not like create their intranet by connecting all offices via wire physically. Only the machines in a particular office are connected via wires. After that, there is a proxy server, and after that, the proxy server is there like to check which request will come in and like which is will be allowed. So again, what is a server? Server is nothing but the same machine but which has an extra capability of listening and responding, right? So for proxy server is also the same server, some kind of server. So it has it's again same system which has a capability to hear what kind of request it is, like from where the request is coming. It hears like from which IP address the request is coming. So its work is to make sure that only authentic IP address reaches the system domain. So this was it about today. Thank you.